How's it going, YouTube? Bronco Outdoors here, and this is my new house. Well, backyard, I should say. So, hopefully, have a lot of cool projects coming up. Today is going to be changing the brakes on my Bronco. It's been about 3 years, and the brakes are finally worn, at least the front two. And I've actually been out of pocket for a little bit, so one of the rotors are all scratched up. So we'll be having to replace a rotor as well. So here's what we're working with today. We got our Duralast Gold ceramic brake pads, of course, good reliable WD-40, a 6-inch C-clamp, some brake lubricant, and the rotor itself. Alright, so taking a look at this rotor, you can see it's pretty scratched up, so we'll be replacing that one. The one on the other side's not too bad. I'm going to go ahead and break these nuts off, and then I'm going to get the car up on the jack. Let's do it. Never get it on the first try. How's that for wasted? Nothing there. Here, for reference, let me open up a new pack. Old, new. See all that is missing. So 3 years of using your brakes does. 3 years though, not bad. Not much better. There's the other one. Let's get our grease going. Let's get these guys out of here. Fix these up. Like that. There you go. Finally. Caught it. That's correct. There you go. Got one. Bird is laughing at me. All set. All right. We just finished replacing that brake rotor and brake pads. Not bad. Now we got to do the other side. We'll speed lapse this one. All right, we are just finished replacing the last set of brakes. I'm probably going to do the next two rear tires maybe like next weekend. It's tough to get time, but yeah, all done. Not too bad overall. I actually think this is probably my favorite brake mechanism. I've dealt with others with like the little slide clips. Don't like those, but yeah, pretty much done. We're going to end this video out with a driving and stopping test, and then that's it. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. Bye-bye.